You may think you're doing everything you can to treat your acne, but some habits could add up to make it worse. Here are the top bad habits that can take a toll on your acne-prone skin, resulting in pimples and blemishes. 1. Your cell phone is too dirty. Think about it. Your face produces oil and sweat, which gets onto your phone when you're on a call. If you don't clean that off, during your next call you're pushing it back into your skin, along with any bacteria that has grown. To clean it, follow the instructions from your phone's maker. You might try earbuds or another hands-free headset. 2. Getting hair products on your face. It's important to keep hairspray, gel, mousse, or other hair products off your face to prevent them from clogging up your pores. Cover your face when applying these products to keep them on your hair and off your skin. 3. Skipping the shampoo. If you've got oily hair, that oil can seep down onto your face and cause pimples. Make sure you wash your hair each day to keep excess oil off of your forehead, face, and back to help prevent acne. 4. Washing your skin too often. Though it's important to keep your skin clean, washing it too often will only make acne worse. Instead, wash your face in the morning when you wake and at night before bed. 5. Eating greasy foods. While the food that you eat doesn't cause acne, greasy foods can make acne-prone skin worse because of the excess oil and grease that can get on the skin from the food itself. So stick to a healthy diet without greasy, fried foods to spare your skin and your health. 6. Using cosmetics that contain oil. If you've got acne-prone skin, the last thing you want to do is introduce even more oil. When you buy makeup and other skin products, look for oil-free options labeled with the terms non-acnogenic or non-comedogenic to help prevent acne. 7. Lack of water. The adult human body is 60% water and your blood is 90% water. Drinking water benefits the whole body in a million ways. From flushing out toxins to preventing acne, water can be the most inexpensive solution for skin issues. It can give you glowing and nourished skin. Health experts often recommend people to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day.